Before we get started, guys, please like and subscribe for future content like this. Thank you. Afternoon, guys. Still in lockdown. I'm trying to make the most of it, and I'm on my hamburger odyssey to find the best hamburger in Melbourne. Now, I went past this joint just down the road from my place, and it's called Busy Burger or something like that. I'm going to go check it out. And also there's a place called Royal Brothers in Brighton. One of my viewers sent me a message saying it was really good, so we'll check that out too. Let's go check it out. And this is going to be hamburger number 9, so I better get to the gym quick, I think. Wear a bloody mask even though we're outside. Annoying. What do you recommend?
I would recommend the busy with cheese. It's the
Busy with cheese? Yeah.
It's the popular one. Or the busy double if you like a bit more meat in it, I guess.
I'll do the double.
Yeah? Yeah. Anything else?
That's it, thanks. I can't eat it, can I?
Oh,
No, that's fine.
Not at the moment.
That's okay.
Beautiful. Yes.
Hey. So mine?
Yeah,
thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Well, I got my burger. Looks really awesome. So now I've got to find a place to eat the bloody thing because I can't eat in there. Well, they were really busy. I got my burger. Found a nice little spot down the beach. It's all wrapped up nice and smooth. Check that out. That looks good. Check that out. That is awesome. Tastes really nice. Man, they make a nice burger. Check that out. There's ham, bacon, lettuce. They were really busy in there. So the business name, Busy Burger. Yep, true. It is busy. Tasty. Now this burger has a double patty, and it cost me 18 bucks. Is it worth it? Yeah, not bad. It's okay. The sauce is nice and tangy. I'll leave you a link to this joint. Yeah, I would go back here. It's pretty good. Wow. Check that out. That is awesome. This probably ranks pretty high. One thing I noticed, there seems to be a lot of sauce on here. Nearly done. The girl serving me said that they get extremely busy at lunchtime because they use all different platforms like Uber Eats, Menulog and all those places. And look, they seem to be very busy. And hey, it's nice and fresh. It tastes fresh. It tastes really good. You know, something that you like. It's a burger, not something that's pretending to be something it's not. It's really good. I'll go back again. I'm enjoying this. As you can see, there's not much left now. Yeah, really tasty. I could do with another one actually. I better stop now. As soon as things open up, I've got to get back to the gym, quick smart. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed that burger review. I enjoyed it because I ate it. It was tasty. It was really, really tasty. Anyway, till next time, that was burger number 9, and we'll keep going on. I don't think I'm going to stop at 10 burgers. I think it's too much fun eating them. Till next time, ciao for now. Thanks for watching guys, hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for your support. Please subscribe, like and comment, and I'd look forward to seeing you again. Bye.